Huge thanks to Ali and his mum for hosting me incredibly generously. I'm in cleanly laundered clothes for the first time I think in Morocco. Full belly, panniers full of food. I'm all set for the comparatively short ride now into Casablanca. Thanks to the refreshing tailwind, I'm doing a comfy 25 kilometers an hour without even really pedaling. Got the beginnings of a bike lane. This is a weird system. It's a roundabout and then there has a road cutting straight through it, which I haven't really worked out how they function. So thank goodness for this guy. Okay, I guess we're gonna go. I'm early. Since it's still only 11 AM and the hostel doesn't open till midday, I'll see if I can visit the mosque right now. It's one of the few Moroccan mosques I can visit as a non-Muslim, but it's on a tour, so I have to come back at 3 or 4 or 5. That's a cathedral, I believe. No. Just cruising about, ticking off sites until I can check in 20 minutes, hopefully. try again. Yay!
We have time breakfast 8 to 9 months.
8 to 9 in the... Okay. Five-bed dorm, just me so far. Map update, starting in Tangier to Osila, then over to Tatuan, Shawan, back to the coast via commuter to Rabat, Mohammedia, Casablanca, and then from here, straight down to Marrakesh. Back to the mosque now, hopefully. I didn't check the price. I assumed it was free. It's 140 dirham. Dinar? What is it? That's a quarter of my weekly spend. So I will not be going in this mosque. I've been in lots of mosques in my time. I don't need to go to this one. What is for dinner? Assalamu alaikum. I don't know what my dinner is, but I picked up 3 of these. It's like a fish donut, I think. Thank you very much indeed, Dan, for PayPaling me. Incredibly generous of you. Thank you so much indeed, as always, Dan. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
England? Londres?
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hello. England game tonight. This is what the outside of a bar looks like in Morocco. Very anonymous. Yeah, that screen should be big enough. Come on, England. Well, there's always the women's tournament next year.